Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through how to upload images and videos on Canva using your mobile device. So let us get started. To begin, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select Camera Roll. Here is where the magic happens. You have the options to upload either a photo or a video. Simply click on your preference and let us say you want to upload an image. Tap on Camera and you can now capture a photo directly with Canva. Take a photo and if you are not satisfied, tap on Retake to try again. When you are happy with the photo, tap on Use Photo and it will be seamlessly added to your Canva canvas. Similarly, you can upload a video by following the same steps. Choose Video and tap on Camera, and you can record a video and add on your project. With this convenient feature, you can easily add your own photos and videos to your Canva designs, giving them a personal touch and making them truly one of a kind. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.